and good morning students. I am back with few more topics to discuss with you all. And before I start, let's see the topics which we have learnt yesterday. Students, yesterday we saw what is cube, perfect cube, some fact about cube number, interesting pattern and prime factors. And today we are going to see one more interesting pattern, how to identify cube number, smallest number by which a number must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube number, and smallest number by which a number must be divided to make it a perfect cube number. Students, yesterday we saw one interesting pattern, that is sum of consecutive odd numbers. And today we are going to see one more interesting pattern. Just see the screen right now. What do you see? Ma'am, 2 cube minus 1 cube, and we all know how to find cube number and subtract them, right? So you will be telling ma'am it's written 8 minus 1, that is 7. Ma'am, we know the answer. Yes? But what about bigger number or greater number, students, where we need time to find out cube number? So, for making those calculations easy, here is one more pattern for you all. Just see. 2 cube minus 1 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. I have written 1 and 3 in color to highlight that 1 and 3 are constant in our pattern. That means it will not change. So see, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 here 2 and 1 are my question, right? So 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Let's see one more example, students, to make our pattern more clear for us, right? See students, 51 cube minus 50 cube is equal to 1 plus 50 into 51 into 3. 1 and 3 are my constant. So 1 plus 50 into 51 into 3, I will get 7650. So 1 plus 7650 will give me the answer 7651. I got the answer. And now just imagine first finding the cube of 51, that is 1,32,651, and then again finding the cube of 50, 1,25,000, and then subtracting it, right? Don't you think it will take time for us? But see students, the pattern makes our calculation easy and fast. And now the most important part to notice in this pattern, that is, this pattern is applied only for the consecutive numbers, not for all numbers. See, I gave first example, 2 cube minus 1 cube, consecutive numbers, 50, 51, consecutive number, right? And now students, we are going to learn to find out whether a given number is a perfect cube number or not. Let's see the example. I have 243. So first I will find out the prime factors. See, 243 is divisible by 3. How many times? 81 times. 81 is again divisible by 3, 27 times. 27 is again divisible by 3, 9 times. 9 is again divisible by 3, 3 times, and 3 is again divisible by 3, 1 time. So I got the factors 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Yesterday we saw in cube numbers we should have the numbers in pair of 3. So see, for the first I got 3 times, so I wrote 1 time 3 cube. Multiply, again I got 3 only 2 times. That means 1 3 is missing for me, right? So 243 is not a perfect cube number. Students, let's see one more example. 3375. What I will do first? Yes, prime factors. So 3375 is divisible by 5. How many times? 675 times. Again 675 is divisible by 5. How many times? 135 times. 135 is again divisible by 5. 27 times. Now 27 is divisible by 3. How many times? 9 times. 9 again divisible by 3. 3 times. And 3 again divisible by 3. 1 time. So I got the prime factors. 5 into 5 into 5. 3 into 3 into 3. 5 I got 3 times. So I wrote 5 power 3. Multiply 3 also again I got 3 times. So 3 power 3. So see, both the numbers appeared 3 times. So yes, it's an cube number. And now all my students will solve exercise 7.1 Roman letter 1 all the 5 sums at home because they are same. What I explained now, right? I hope now interesting pattern and how to calculate whether a given number is cube or not is clear to all my students. So students, shall we move to our next topic? Yes. And now students, we are going to learn smallest number to be multiplied to make perfect cube. Let's see the example. 392. Obviously first I will find out my prime factors. 392. 392 is divisible by 2. How many times? 196 times. 196 is again divisible by 2. 98 times. 98 is again divisible by 2. 49 times. 49 is again divisible by 7. How many times? 7 times. 7 is again divisible by 7. 1 time. So I got the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2. 7 into 7. 2 I got 3 times, so I wrote 1 time, 2 power 3. Multiply, and now the most important part to notice. See students, I got 7 2 times, and I know in cube I should have a pair of 3, right? So 1 7 is missing for me. I have 2 7 and 1 7 is missing for me. So I will multiply 392 with 7. So 392 multiply with 7, I will get 2744. And now it will become in perfect cube. 2744 is cube of 14. Let's take one more example. 60. 60 is divisible by 2 30 times. 30 is divisible by 2 15 times. 15 is divisible by 3 5 times. 5 is divisible by 5 1 time. So I got the factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And now see students, I don't have pair of 3 times of any number. 2 appeared 2 times, 3 appeared 1 time, and 5 appeared 1 time. So how can I say, okay ma'am, it's a cube number? So, but we are finding the smallest number to be multiplied to make perfect cube, right? So I have to make pair now. 2 I got 2 times, so I will be taking 1 time because 1 time is only missing. 3 I got 1 time, so 2 times it's missing, so 3 into 3. 5 I got 1 time, so 2 times it's missing, 5 into 5. So I have to multiply 60 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. And when I will multiply 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, I will get 450. The smallest number I have to multiply with 60 is 450 to make it cube. That is 27,000, and 27,000 is cube of 30. Roman letter 2 of our exercise 7.1 deals with the same kind of problem, students. So you all have to do all the 5 sums at home. And now students, we are going to learn how to find out smallest number by which a number must be divided to make it a perfect cube number. See here, I have given you the example of 1188. First, what I am going to do, I am going to find out first prime factors. See, 1188. 1188 is divided by 2. How many times? 594 times. 594 is again divisible by 2. How many times? 297 times. 297 is now divisible by 3. How many times? 99 times. 99 is again divisible by 3. How many times? 33 times. 33 is again divisible by 3. How many times? 11 times. And now 11 is divisible by 11 one time. So what are the prime factors I got for 1188? That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. See students, 3 here I got 3 times, so I wrote 1 time. And now 2 I have got 2 times and 11 I have got 1 time. So now the important part students. Like now here double 2 and 11 are extra for me. So what I am going to do? I am going to multiply first. 2 2s are 4, 4 11s are 44. So 3 cube multiply 44. Now this 44 is extra for me. So I am going to divide 1188 with 44. What I will get? 27. And 27 is cube of 3. Take one more example. 53,240. So here also students we have to find out first prime factors. So 53,240 is divisible by 2. How many times? 26,620. Again divisible by 2. How many times? 13,310. Again divisible by 2. How many times? 6,655. And now it is divisible by 11. How many times? 605. Again divisible by 11. How many times? 55 times. 55 again divisible by 11. How many times? 5 times. And 5 is again divisible by 5 one time. So I got the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2. 11 into 11 into 11 into 5. So see students, 2 here I got 3 times. So I wrote 2 power 3. We all know we have to write 1 time, right? Again I got 11 3 times. So I wrote 1 time 11 power 3. And now here I have 5 only 1 time. So that is extra for me. So what I will do? I will divide 53,240 with 5. So I will get 10,648. That is cube of 22. And now students, in our exercise 7.1 Roman letter 3 deals with the same type of problems. So you have to do at home. And I hope all my students will be practicing today the sums Roman letter 1, 2 and 3 at home, and they will complete their classwork. Before I say bye to you all, today I want to share trick with you all to calculate cube number easily and fast for numbers between 11 to 99. And for this, first we should know the square and cube number of 1 to 9 perfectly. And I know all my students knew it. So students, for you all to understand more easily, I have divided this cube number tricks into 4 parts. Today I will be explaining you 2 parts and the rest of the 2 parts tomorrow. So shall I start students? Yes. So students, now I will explain my first trick. That is how to calculate cube number of any number having 1 in its tens place, that is 11, 12, 13. Alright. So see here I have given you the example of 12 cube. I know what is cube of 12? 1728. But to make it more easy for us to calculate, see what I am going to do first. First I am going to put 4 dash. Alright, that is blank space, right? And then see where I have 1. 1 it is in my left side. So I will write my 1 as it is and then 2 in the second dash. Now third and fourth dash. What I am going to do? In the unit place what I have? 2. So I am going to do square of that number. So what is square of 2? 4. And for the fourth dash, what I am going to do? Cube of that number. So what is cube of 2? 8. Right? Now the second step. I am going to leave my first and the last number. Right? See, I have put cross for it. And then again I am going to put 2 dash. And there I'm not going to do any calculation. I'm just going to double the number. So see what I have? 2. So what is double of 2? 4. In the next dash I have 4. So what is double? 8. And after that I'm just going to add simply. See from the last. 8 as it is. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 2 I wrote down and 1 carry forward. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7 and 1 as it is. So see I got 1, 7, 2, 8. And now trick number 2. In this trick we are going to calculate cube number of number having 1 in its ones place, that is 21, 31, 41 and so on. Now see, here I have given you the example of 31 cube. What is cube of 31? 29791. So shall we start now? Again here first I will put 4 dash. Alright, and now just see, I have 1 in my right side, 31, right? So I will start this sum from right. So I will write 1 as it is in the last dash and then 3 as it is in this second last. And then I am going to do square and cube of the number having in the tens place, that is 3. So what is square of 3? 9. What is cube of 3? 27. Second step. Again I am going to leave first and the last number. See, I have put cross for them. And then I am going to double the number. See, what is double of 3? 6. What is double of 9? 18. And the last step, just we are going to add the number. 1 as it is. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 18, 27. So I wrote 7 down and 2 carry forward. So 27 plus 2 is 29. See, I got the answer 29791. I hope you enjoyed the trick. And now students, bye and keep learning and stay healthy.